Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Factor.
What does the dictionary say?
One of two or more numbers, algebraic expressions, or the like, that when multiplied together produce a given product. A divisor.
Math rap.
The numbers we use to multiply together are the factors that get us a final solid number. If the factors 2 and 3 are your picks, the factors 2 times 3 give you 6.
Math rap.
Explain factors in your own words. Is what you wrote down a fact, or are you just making things up? What are your thoughts on factors? Is 0 a true factor? Factors can be more than numbers. Consider this. What kind of factors do you face when you are learning how to swim for the first time? What are the key factors to success in life? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!